Hi there, and thanks for joining us. If you work in rail maintenance, you know that removing train wheels from wheel sets is no easy task. It's a demanding engineering challenge that requires precision, power, and the right tools. During manufacturing, train wheels are pressed onto axles with immense force. Using this interference fit method ensures the wheels stay securely fixed, ensuring safety and stability on the tracks. But when it's time for reprofiling or replacing worn wheels, these tight fits become a major obstacle. Old-school removal methods like sledgehammers and applying heat are not only labor-intensive, they present significant safety risks. And not only that, chances are you'll damage the very components you're trying to preserve. So what's the answer? This is where hydraulic pullers come in. Tools like this Enerpac 100-ton puller are purpose-built for these tough jobs. They apply controlled, consistent force to separate wheels and bearings from axles, with minimal risk of damage. With features like self-centering jaws, ergonomic design, and remote operation, these pullers harness the power of hydraulics to make the process both safer and more efficient. The result? Faster maintenance, less downtime, and confidence your components remain intact and undamaged for reconditioning. Find out more at enerpac.com. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.